This is the North Keystone Townhomes in downtown San Jose. This has a total of 42 different townhomes, 3 different distinct styles each. It was built in 2006, which makes it one of the first townhome communities in downtown San Jose for sale. I've actually checked out the HOA documents for this complex, and they are outstanding. Their financials look great. The buildings are maintained extremely well. Community space is amazing. This is one of the better kept HOAs that I've actually seen in downtown San Jose, particularly in townhomes. So this is going to give you an idea of what you would expect if you purchased a unit inside the North Keystone Townhome community. There's not a lot for amenities. There's no swimming pools, there's no gyms, but your HOA dues are very low. I think they're about $330 a month for this unit in particular. Not all are going to be the exact same. I like to start off in the garages. You do have side-by-side garage parking in downtown San Jose. That's not very common. They do have a requirement where garbages need to be kept inside the unit. Decent size, not too large. 2-car parking is pretty important for townhomes in San Jose. Having a lower level bedroom tends to be key for a lot of people. Ideally, the bathroom, the downtown living area. Some people rent this space out. Others, have family members here. The one downside is that, all the living space is going to be on the second level here. Now again, the floor plan is kind of what we're looking at here. All the kitchens could have been redesigned by, each owner individually. The flooring could all be different, but realistically, the second level is where you're gonna find most of your living area for this home. And considering there's not a lot for amenities, this is kind of where most of your living is gonna be done at. Nice little bedroom off of the living area. Not the master, but a nice space. Now this is the master. All the third level, the entire space is gonna make up your master suite. Again, there's 42 different townhomes in this North Keystone complex. 3 different and distinct styles of townhomes. This one is in particular a 3-bedroom. And each level is going to have a bedroom. So that's not very common for townhomes. San Pedro Square is within a 5-minute walk from here.
Buy or sell your condo or home